Hi everybody, it's Adam and Petri, and today we're doing core words. Yes, yes, yes. It's core word time. The word is here, right above my finger, and we're gonna go on a scavenger hunt. Yes, what's a scavenger hunt? That is where we're gonna find our other three friends, Mr. Elephant, Pepe the Pig, and Mr. Dino. They're hiding? Yes, they are hiding. So let's go find them. And we're going to listen for when they say, over here, because that is our core word, is here. It is the spot that we're looking. Where can we find them? So we are going to look for them. Are you ready, Petri? Yeah, let's find them. Okay, we're going to go and we're going to look. They're hidden somewhere in the room. Let's first go over here. That's our core word. And we will think about where could they be. Now, Petri, do you have any ideas? Let's start looking around. Let me look. It's me, I'm here. Wait a minute, I see, I think somebody is, what, are you there you are. You found me! I was in the picture! I was hiding over here! You're right, that was the core word for here, and you were on top of the piano. Good spot, Mr. Dino! Okay, let's see who else we can find. Let's keep looking. We're gonna go over to a different area. Excuse the construction over here. Oh, let's see. Where else could we look? I'm looking. I think I see Mr. Elephant. I think you do. We'll come over here. Mr. Elephant, you are up on top of there. Hi there. You're right, you were hiding up on top with Jeff the Corn Cob. Yeah, I was there. Yes, you were. Nice job, Mr. Elephant. We have one more person to find, and that's Pepe the Pig. Are you ready? Yeah, let's find him. Okay. This is going to be a little trickier because he is over here in the toy corner. Okay? Let me look. There's a lot to look at here. I'm looking. What color is he? Pepe the Pig is a light pink. So if you're looking, look for something light pink. I think I see him. I think I do too. I think he is right here. I think you found him. Yeah, you found me. You were there, Pepe. Nice job. I was hiding in the toys. You were hiding in the toy corner. Nice job. Guess what? You learned the core word here. That is the spot where we are trying to find you. It's on our core board. It has a little X, but you guys did a great job for finding all the pets, all the puppets, and you are learning about the word here. Bye, everybody. Bye, everybody. And bye, everybody. Thanks for being here with me.